What's up guys, I'm back with another awesome Mafia City video and it's stats update time. I'm really excited to make this stats update video. We have made some crazy improvement and I just can't wait to show you all my stats, what I have done to improve them. This video is going to be very awesome guys, because I was not expecting this kind of result that I'm getting right now. I was just thinking if I was able to complete my goal, that will be awesome, but we just surpassed all of our goals guys, and I am really happy to show you all what I have done. It's going to help you, it's going to help me to keep motivating me to keep improving my stats. If you are new to this series, I'm going to just tell you, every month I make a video on my stats update. This is the thing that I'm doing since I have like 400% shooter attack. Now we are near 800% shooter attack, so there is a lot of information in this video that I am putting out guys, that will help you to increase your stats. Even if I able to help one person in this, I am really happy to do that. Welcome to this series. If you are new to this channel, I upload regular Mafia City content, so make sure to turn on that bell icon notification and subscribe to this channel for more awesome, fun, informative Mafia City video. And like this video, share this video with all of your friends. That is going to help a lot of people. That is going to help me guys. Before I show you my stats, first I'm going to show you my stats 1 month ago, so that we can compare our stats, how much improvement we have made. And if you want, you can just go on my previous stats update video and look at my stats guys. That is going to give you even more detail, but for now I'm just going to show you a battle report that is going to be 1 month old, and then we are going to compare it to the battle report today. Let's quickly go in the favorite. I'm going to find a battle report that is going to be 1 month old. So guys, here is the battle report that is a little bit less than 1 month. I am on the right side guys. So this is my stats on 1 month ago. Just take a look at this and just remember this guys. I'm not going to talk a lot about my previous stats. If you want to, you can just check out my previous stats update video. So these are my stats 1 month ago. Make one thing in mind guys, is this is without any 20% buff of attack and defense. This is my base stats without any kind of buff. So that's my health, that's my defense, just plus in my defense and attack 20%. So that will be my base stats on my 2 golden vigilante. Now you just remember this, and now let's quickly go on the real estate event. I'm going to show you my stats of this month, and you are going to be very surprised by this. But before I show you, I'm going to show you that what kind of buff I am having right now. So that's the 20% attack bonus, that's 20% defense bonus that I am having right now. So nothing, any kind of extra defense and attack bonus. That's just basic bonus that I'm going to have. And real estate event guys just started, so this is the perfect time for making a stats update video. So let's just quickly attack and see what kind of stats and what kind of improvement I have made. So one more thing that I wanted to add in this is that guys, I'm going to show you my stats with my 2 purple vigilante, Nick and Izumi, and I'm going to show you my stats with 2 golden vigilante, that is going to be James and Connor. And I want you to comment in the video below what you think is better for me to use, 2 purple vigilante or the golden one. And because the difference is guys not so much huge, and there is a little bit difference between them, but I'm just confused what I need to choose them as my main vigilante. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this. And right off the bat, you can see that I have made Connor force. There is an event going on guys, in which if you are going to use your vigilante fragments to star up your vigilante, you're going to get extra fragments, and that's why guys I was able to make Connor 4-star, and I will try to make James 4-star as well as fast as possible. I'm not sure how long it's going to take me to make Connor 5-star. It's a long way, but we will try to do this as fast as possible. And this is my renegades, nothing any kind of change in this. Let's quickly go in my bulker section, and you can see that my bulker attack is 439, bulker defense is 456, and bulker health is 196. Previous month we have 174 bulker health. So we made a lot of improvement in our bulker health. More than 20% of improvement we have made just in our health guys, in our health. That's just crazy amount of improvement in 1 month. Especially I was not even expecting this kind of improvement, and I'm really surprised that I was able to do this. And you can see that my attack of bulker is a little bit down 1% than before. We did not make any improvement in my bulker attack, but on defense section guys, we have made improvement. The last time I have 440% bulker defense with 20% bonus, we have now 456. So right there I just broke my goal guys of 180% bulker health and 450% of bulker defense. That was my goal in bulker section, and I really broke all those record and surpassed this, and we are very near to 200% bulker health. Most exciting thing for me to hit that 200% bulker health mark, because health is very important. I just made a video before this talking about health versus damage, guys. So health is a very important thing in your stats, and now I'm realizing the importance of this, so I'm pushing my health as much as I can right now at the moment. So let's talk about my biker stats. So nothing really much to talk about in my biker stats. I'm not really focusing on this. So now let's quickly go on my shooter section. As you can see, my shooter attack is 736, shooter defense is 524, shooter health is 176, shooter damage is 97. I will say not as crazy improvement as my bulker section in this, but we have made 10% of my health jump in shooter section, and defense is, guys, 524%. Before it was 500% shooter defense. And honestly, guys, I have like 540% shooter defense at one time in between, but I really changed some of the emblems, which I am going to talk about later in this video. So my defense go of shooter a little bit less, but in this, guys, I was able to increase my bulker health and shooter health in detail. We are going to talk about later in this video. 736% is my shooter attack with these two golden vigilante, guys. So that is my stats right now of shooter at the moment. I am really happy with this. I completed all of my goal, guys, that I made in my previous video. This is 2 times, guys, in a row that we were able to complete all of our goal for the next month video, guys. I am really happy. So let's try to make it at 3. Later I'm going to set some goal, and let's see we are able to complete and surpass this or not. That it will be a very exciting thing to do. So this is my stats with golden vigilante. Now let's talk about my stats with purple vigilante, guys. Here are my stats with purple vigilante. 441% bulker attack, 457% bulker defense of bulker and bulker attack is a little bit higher than my golden vigilante. Health is 186%, as you can see, because of James, guys. James is going to give me 10% of my crew health, so that's why my crew health is going to be less, 10% less overall. Now let's talk about my shooter attack, guys. It's 784% of shooter attack, 525% of shooter defense, 166% of shooter health, and damage, guys, is 87%. We take a big hit in damage, but we increase overall our attack and defense, guys. Health is also a little bit low. So the two main thing, guys, is that my damage and health is now less than before, but my attack and defense is, guys, more than before. So that's why I'm a little bit confused, but my thinking is that I need to go with my golden vigilante because it's important to have damage and health. But I just want to know your opinion about this. What do you think will be better, to use my purple vigilante as my main or my golden vigilante? As you can see, I'm very near to 800% shooter attack. Actually, I will be able to get 800% shooter attack already, but I made a lot of changes in my emblems, and I have a lot of attack emblem that I am not using right now. If I want, I would be like 820 something shooter attack, but I just don't want at this moment. I want to be a strong 700% shooter player rather than a weak 800% shooter player. So that's what I really want. Let's quickly talk about what I did, guys. The major improvement that I did was to change my emblems. Every month I try to change my emblem, guys, and every month I'm able to find something new and able to improve them. And the one thing that I'm doing, guys, right now is that I'm buying these 2 emblem box every day from the SVIP store, and from this I was able to get couple of health emblem for bulker, and with this I switched them with some of the attack emblem have in my equipment. That's why I was able to improve my health so much. Now quickly I'm going to show you my all equipment and all emblems that I have currently right now. So here, take a look at them. That's the equipment stuff what I have right now, and nothing really changed anything else. I think the major improvement that we did in our stats comes from emblem. Now guys, let's talk about my T11 shooter progress, how much progress I really have made in terms of my T11 shooter, how much near I am to get them. So let's quickly go, and I'm going to show you that I have made 10% of my family member progress completed. It's going to be 90% more. It's going to take at least a year. I think I'm thinking it's going to take at least a year. If I am really working hard on them, then I think I will going to take like 8 to 9 months, but I think it's going to take at least a year for this. So that's my progress for T11 right there in front of your screen. So now this is the thing that I have done to improve. Nothing much, guys, nothing much, nothing lot of investment or something like that. Just basic thing that I am doing right now. The emblems, guys, really help me a lot in order to increase my health. We are doing some hitman investment in combat service, and I really want that 7% of that shooter damage that I'm looking for, that 7% of shooter health. So that's why I'm doing this investment right there in front of your screen. It's pretty much it, guys, in terms of improvement that I have made. I'm still trying to make the equipment in order to get my 43 level trouser, and it's slow, guys. I know I'm really not focusing on that at the moment. I'm just doing here and there every time, but the moment we will have 43 level trouser, we are going to have 800% shooter attack for sure. Purple vigilante, of course, guys. So that will be awesome thing to do, but I'm not really in a hurry for this because 800% is just a number. If everything is trash, I'm really trying to make everything as strong as possible. So this is the improvement that I have made. Now let's talk about the goal that we will have for our future video. For this, guys, I think we will have 200% bulker health by the end of the gold rush. Even more I will try to, but I will keep the goal small because every time I make big goal I cannot able to complete them, and this make me very happy that if I make some goal and complete them, it motivate me even more. 200% will be our goal for our bulker health. With defense, guys, I will try to get bulker defense to 460% and for 50% of bulker attack. So that will be my goal for the next month. In terms of shooter, guys, I will try to improve my defense and health. I will try to improve 5% health and 10% defense of my shooter, but I'm not really sure about this. But just for this, I'm just making them goal. They are not as serious as my bulker stats goal. For now, bulker is the main priority for me in order to get that 500% bulker defense and 200% bulker health. That's my real goal right now. That will be the goal for my future video, and that will be it for my stats update video. A long stats update video. We talk a lot, and I want to know your opinion on my vigilante, what I need to use, and that will help me out a lot. So what do you think about my stats? If any kind of suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. I will be really happy to hear this out, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome, fun, informative Mafia City videos. A lot of Mafia City content on my channel that is going to help you out a lot. So that's it for me, guys. I'll see you on another one. Until then, take care, stay safe, and peace.